You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that is mostly famous for being a French name. It was a French tax during the French Revolution. If you studied French history, you'll probably hear for that. French word here is taille. Taille. It also means the hip in French, but it's most famous for being that tax. Taille. Taille. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as taille. Taille. A bit like Thai, you know, Thai rice. Yeah. It's not far off. Taille. Taille is a French pronunciation. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More useful vocabulary from French for you here. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.